Hi everyone, I will be giving you a brief overview of my website, mathbymaha.weebly.com. So if you put this address in your browser, it will take you to this page. Now, if you can see on this page, there are four different grade levels. The purpose of this initiative is to provide students with a range of grade levels so that they can select which content or topic they really struggled with and they can fix their learning gaps. I particularly target 7th grade math, but a lot of students come to me who are below grade level and some are above grade level, so this will give them good opportunities to select their target area that they need to work on and work at the ease of their home. If you go to this, for instance, fifth grade math, you would see all the modules that are included in fifth grade syllabus. You can click on whatever. So for instance, a student wants to study or revise place values in decimal fractions, click the module. You can see I've incorporated, the main platform is Weebly, but I've incorporated other online tools like Khan Academy and Flipgrid, and a lot of PDFs and emails as well. So they can, if they want to watch videos, they can click to this link and it will take them to this page, exact page on Khan Academy where they can watch the videos and practice some quizzes. If they want to practice some worksheets, they can download student workbook. They also have additional practice materials along with sprints. Another amazing thing about this website is that it provides tips for parents. Many parents come to me and ask me if there's anything they can get so that they can support their kids at home with math, particularly considering the difficulty level of 7th grade math. I think these resources would be really helpful for parents to reinforce their own concepts and then help their students in the right way. The way we teach mathematics is slightly different than how the parents learn mathematics, so it would be great if everyone is doing it according to the same method so students are not confused. So these files can be easily downloaded and then they can be used to help the kids learn the content. If You can also navigate the website very easily. The About section tells me a little bit about my family and why I'm so passionate about mathematics and what led me to come up with this idea of the website. Students can also contact me via this email address, or they can send me their queries, comments, concerns, questions by filling up this form. There's also this discussion portal that involves them to complete an online activity. All the details and directions, step by step directions of how they're supposed to complete the online activity are written here. Plus, I've also added a video that will help them complete this online activity. Please ignore this silly face. For this online activity, they have to, every week there would be a topic that we'll be doing our discussions on. They can click the topic and it will lead them to the Flipgrid page. On that page, they will see a question. So in this case, there are two student responses, student A and student B, and the prompt says that they have to tell which student is right and why. So they actually have to create a video response telling which student is right and why, and justify their answer using academic vocabulary. They can simply click this green plus button and they can record their video response. They also have to respond to at least two of their classmates and provide them with feedback, suggestions, or encourage them. Um, Again, all the step-by-step directions are already mentioned here, and I've also included a video response to help them through this activity. Then last but not the least, you can see that there's this end of project that students would have to complete, which would be considered as a summative assessment. This is a very open-ended project where students have to launch a product and come up with a business plan for that product. And they have to tell me what our product are they launching, who's the target audience is, what's the initial cost, expected revenue, why did they choose the product, what are the resources that are required, who are the sponsors, and give me a detailed cost analysis. Um, the submission criteria and the way they're supposed to save their files is all mentioned here. The deadline is here. Again, it's a very open-ended project and they can work with their partners or by themselves. But the criteria is that they have to use at least two modules from 7th grade math, including the financial literacy module, in order to encourage them to go into the content more deeper. And also to relate what we learn in 7th grade math to real life experiences, and so that they can actually understand the purpose of why we're learning those topics. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you liked my initiative. Um, Thanks. Bye.